Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something that's not just a product, it's a whole new way of thinking about travel, freedom, and sustainability. This is the 2025 Tricycle Camper, and it's unlike anything you've ever seen. At first glance, it looks like a futuristic e-trike with a trailer. But give it a moment, and you'll realize this is a fully integrated micro-camper that combines transportation, shelter, power, and freedom. All in one, sleek, solar-powered package. It's designed for one person, but it packs enough features to rival some of the most compact camper vans on the market. And the best part? You don't need a license, gas money, or even a parking space. Let's break it down. The Tricycle Camper is built on a three-wheeled electric assist trike platform, meaning you can pedal it like a regular bike, but also engage the motor for extra help when you're going uphill, traveling long distances, or just want a break. The 500-watt hub motor is surprisingly powerful. You can cruise up to 20 mph, and it feels smooth and stable even on uneven ground, thanks to the low center of gravity and wide rear axle. One of the most revolutionary parts of this camper is the power system. It's topped with a 200-watt solar panel, which feeds into a lithium battery mounted beneath the floor. This means that even when you're off the grid, you're constantly generating power for your electronics, lights, and even a small cooling system if you add a portable fridge. No gas, no fumes, and no plug-ins required. Let's talk about the living space. It's designed for solo travel. And while that may sound limiting, the design team has made use of every inch of space. You get a comfortable padded sleeping platform that folds out into a bed, along with windows on each side for airflow and natural light. The walls are insulated with eco-friendly materials, so it stays warm on chilly nights and cool during sunny afternoons. It's surprisingly quiet inside too. Perfect for sleeping in a city park, a quiet forest clearing, or even in your own driveway. There's more. Underneath the sleeping platform, you've got a built-in modular storage system. One side contains pull-out drawers for clothes, books, and tools. The other side has your kitchen, a fold-out panel with a single-burner propane stove, a collapsible sink basin, and space for a cutting board or meal prep area. Water is stored in 2 jugs, one for clean water and one for gray water. It's simple, but it works. You can make coffee in the morning, cook a warm meal at sunset, and everything tucks neatly back into place when you're done. Now, if you're someone who's used to the creature comforts of a full-sized camper, this obviously isn't a luxury suite on wheels, but it's not supposed to be. This is about rethinking your relationship with travel. It forces you to slow down, stay present, and experience the journey, not just the destination. There's something special about traveling by your own power, knowing that your energy and the sun are carrying you forward. Let's also talk about the ride quality. The recumbent design gives you a low, stable seating position that's actually incredibly comfortable. Even on longer trips, the electric motor gives you just the right amount of assistance. Not too aggressive, but enough to make even steep hills manageable. The trike can handle light gravel paths, paved roads, and bike lanes with ease. Suspension options are available in some models, but even the base version gives a smooth enough ride for most terrain types.